All right, the drink we're about to make is called Concorde. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass here. We're going to measure out 2 ounces of cognac. And we're going to add 1/2 ounce of apple juice. Now we're just going to give that a quick shake, just enough to chill it a little bit, get it mixed together. We'll set up a champagne flute. Go ahead and pour that in. Should fill it up about halfway. And then we're going to top it off with champagne. There we go. A little bit of the bubbly. And we'll let that fizz up a little bit. So let it settle down before we grab it. But if you're looking for a different way to enjoy a nice glass of champagne, make yourself a Concorde. Bottoms up.